Have you ever found yourself yearning for a life filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment? Are you searching for answers to unlock the secret force that can transform your reality? If so, then prepare to embark on a fascinating exploration of Neville Goddard's teachings on God and manifestation. Welcome to our channel and an extraordinary journey into the realms of manifestation and the power of the human mind. Imagine a world where your deepest desires effortlessly materialize, where the power of your imagination knows no bounds. We are about to unveil the wisdom of one of the most influential figures in the New Thought movement, Neville Goddard. Known for his profound insights into the nature of God and the creative power of the human mind, Goddard's teachings have the potential to revolutionize your understanding of reality. In this captivating video, we will delve into the core concepts of Neville Goddard's teachings, from the transformative practice of visualization and imagination to the profound impact of assuming the feeling of your desires already fulfilled. We will empower you with the tools to reshape your reality. But that's not all. Through the exploration of prayer and the mind-bending technique of revision, we will unlock the secrets to reprogramming your subconscious mind and manifesting the life you truly desire. This is not just another self-help video. This is a powerful invitation to tap into the divine power within you and unleash your ultimate potential. Before we dive into the depths of Neville Goddard's teachings, we request you to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Okay, let's begin. Neville Goddard believed that each individual possesses a divine power within them, which is the essence of God. He emphasized the importance of understanding and embracing this inner divinity for effective manifestation. According to Goddard, recognizing oneself as an individualized expression of the divine source is crucial for manifestation. To illustrate his teachings, Goddard often used biblical stories and verses. One of his favorite passages was, "I am that I am." He saw this verse as a profound statement of self-identification and a declaration of one's divine nature. Goddard encouraged people to understand that they are co-creators with God. He believed that our thoughts and beliefs have the power to shape our reality. He often spoke about the creative power of our imagination and the importance of visualization and belief in manifesting our desires. His teachings provide a fresh perspective on the law of attraction and the role of faith in manifestation. By understanding and embracing our inner divinity, we can tap into our creative power and manifest our desires effortlessly. Friends, imagination is a powerful tool advocated by Neville Goddard that plays a crucial role in creating our reality. As Albert Einstein once said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." Our internal thoughts and visualizations have the ability to shape our feelings and external actions, ultimately manifesting our desires into reality. To harness the power of imagination, it is important to develop and strengthen our visualization muscles. Visualization techniques can help us train our minds to internally create what we want in our lives. By vividly imagining our desired outcomes, we can align our inner beliefs and mental states with what we want to manifest. In the manifestation process, imagination acts as a co-pilot. It helps us visualize and affirm our desires to the divine within us. Prayer, in this context, is not traditional supplication, but a method for affirming our wishes to the divine. Through prayer, we can impress our desires upon the subconscious mind and invoke the creative power of God. When we pray, we connect with our higher power and ask for guidance in achieving our goals. By using prayer and the law of attraction, we can create the life we want by attracting the things and people we need to achieve our goals. When we pray, we open ourselves up to receive guidance from our higher power. This allows us to access our inner wisdom and intuition, which can provide us with clarity and direction in our life. By affirming our desires to the divine within, we align ourselves with the energy of manifestation. Prayer is a personal and individual practice that can be tailored to our specific desires and goals. It allows us to tap into the creative power of God and the ability to create our reality. Through visualization and belief, we can use our imagination to create a clear picture of what we want to manifest in our lives. Revision is another powerful tool in manifestation. By revising our memories and interpretations of events, we can rewrite our past and change our present and future circumstances. This process allows us to realign with the divine plan and create a new reality for ourselves. Persistent and consistent belief in the manifestation process is crucial. Doubt and fear can be counterproductive and hinder our ability to manifest effectively. Instead, we must practice unwavering faith in our desires and the power of manifestation. The concept of the law of assumption and its connection to harnessing the creative power of God suggests that the process of manifestation is not only a reflection of our innate divinity, but also a path to realizing our fullest potential. When we talk about the law of assumption, we are referring to the ability to create the reality we desire in alignment with God's view. It is important to understand that this law is not separate from ourselves, but rather a personal experience that taps into our own wonderful I am, which is Jesus. In this context, Jesus represents the individual who has experienced the mighty acts of God for their redemption. As we delve deeper into the law of assumption, we begin to understand that the length of a sermon or the duration of our discussions on this topic may vary. However, what truly matters is the conviction and belief of the speaker. It is the passion and genuine belief in what is being shared that can have a transformative impact on the listener. A sermon that disturbs and moves individuals, particularly those who are comfortable and complacent, may indicate an outside source of inspiration. This inspiration can come from tapping into the creative power of God within us and aligning ourselves with the law of assumption. Understanding and applying the law of assumption can not only lead to personal transformation, but also have a ripple effect on the world as a whole. By recognizing our ability to create and manifest our desires, we can tap into the divine consciousness within us and co-create a reality that aligns with our highest potential. Here is the wrap, my friends. Thank you for joining us today on this empowering journey into the teachings of Neville Goddard. We hope that you found inspiration and valuable insights on how to harness the power of your own mind to manifest your desires into reality. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue to create content that can positively impact your life. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. Share with us how the teachings of Neville Goddard have influenced your manifestation journey and any success stories you would like to share. Your stories can inspire and motivate others on their own path towards creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting and embracing the power within you.